Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock within Spinners. The stock has a good business and the company is also doing well and the financials of the company is also good. I have found a swing trade opportunity in the stock. Now let us discuss the chart on technical basis. In this monthly chart, we can see that the stock is currently in a strong uptrend, and make a look at the volume. The stock is also with high volume traded, and the volume is very much higher than the average volume. The stock is cooking something that retailers don't know, but the stock is good for swing trade purposes. Now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. The stock from the listing was on a small range and it took a bull run at 2013 and also consolidated a bit around 2016 and gave a up move for more than 100% within a couple of months. And once the stock hit the range of 140, it started bleeding. The stock came down very drastically and the stock once again bottomed at corona fall, and again took up its uptrend. The stock now is currently in the strong uptrend because look at the volumes of red candle and volumes of green candle, and look at the candle red, which is a very tiny candles, and look at the green candles. These are indicates that the buyers are very much strong in the stock. And look at the wick here. The wick is almost twice the candle real body, so it's sure that buyers are very strong in the stock. And now look at the volume here. This volume indicates that the stock is about to give multifold returns to its investors in upcoming future years. So let's move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart further. In weekly chart, now let me draw a zone of resistance of the stock. This may be acted as the zone of resistance in further up move, and this can be acted as the support region for the stock. Now let me move to the daily chart to analyze the price target and entry for the stock. I have drawn a line here. This can be taken as the zone of support level. And look at the chart. The stock, after reaching a high of 94, it consolidated for more than 3 or 4 months, and now it gave a breakout out of the same range, and it also considered as a support level for the stock. It broke a range of 3 to 4 months. It took a support at the same level and repelled back to the higher levels, and after reaching another resistance, it broke a resistance and now it's taking support levels in the stock. So one can take entry at current market price, or else one can take entry at 110, 113, 115 levels. 115 can be taken as the ideal entry for the stock. Ideal entry can be taken at 115, 113 range, and the stock will sure move up from this current market price. And once the stock broke the range of 140, then we can see a major up move in the stock, because 140 range is acted as the all-time high. So if the stock broke the all-time high, so that it can make further bullish moves in the upcoming weeks. So one can take target as 140 range, and 113, 110, 115 range can be taken as the entry for the stock. and 140 range can be taken as the target in this stock. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and hit subscribe button to get the instant notifications of the video once it published, and feel free to comment below your questions and queries, and thank you for watching our videos.